SOGTAC is one of our best-selling automatic folding knives, and for the second generation, we've redesigned it from the ground up. SOGTAC AU takes feedback from our professional and defensive carry users and delivers a stronger, faster, and more flexible automatic knife system. One of our biggest innovations is our introduction of ambidextrous opening, using SOG's incredibly strong XR lock system. This means that whichever hand you're using, you can open SOGTAC AU quickly and confidently. One common complaint on automatics is complicated manual safeties and how they can often get in the way of a fast opening. We've aimed to solve this by integrating a double action safety into the deployment slider. If you want the blade locked out, you push the slider forward over the detent, mitigating inadvertent deployment in your pocket or on your gear during high impact movements. If you want to deploy, you simply pull back over the detent, on either side, straight into the open position. This design reduces the need for fine motor skill use in high stress situations. Need to deploy? Just yank back on the slider. So, if you want to use a safety, it's there. And to deploy, it's just one action instead of two. SOGTAC AU uses a slim, lightweight, and robust aluminum handle, finished with a grippy micro-texturing all over the anodized frame. SOGTAC AU comes in 3 sizes and a wide variety of blade styles depending on user needs. The full size is available in a clip point and a Tonto 3.4-inch blades, with serrated options for both. The compact has the same blade options, but a more concealable 2.9-inch blade. And our ever-popular California Special uses the same SOGTAC AU compact handle, but a California-compliant sub-2-inch blade. All SOGTAC AUs feature Cryo D2 steel and are hand-built by our team, right here in the USA. SOGTAC AU will be available in the fall of 2021, with an MSRP of $138.95 for the compact sizes and $166.95 for the full size. To find out when the SOGTAC AU family is available, click on the link in the bio or description and register for alerts.